All right, this is the fast track portion. You will notice that it looks very, very similar, aside from the fact that it's a red bar instead of an orange bar here, and it says fast track. So it's really almost the same problems. They just don't have to do as many of them because it seems like they understand and they don't need as much practice as maybe someone who doesn't. So again, you can click the motion model. It stops at the intended spot. Um, these problems will be more challenging to start with because they kind of start them off easy in the learn zone. So again, it's the same concept though. You have the motion model, you have the graph, you can put in your answer. Here it's going to be 3.5, and again, you get to see those blue lines that locate the point. Um, with this one, you don't get to see if you are correct until the very end. So they don't have that like confidence boost that they have in the other in the learn zone. But if you're ever getting frustrated, the learn zone is located at the bottom here. So if they're just like, I don't think this was a good choice, I want to switch back to the learn zone, they do have that ability. As well as I want to show you guys this right here. This is an option for them to get some extra support. So here you can go to the lesson video, you can go to an example problem, and you can also go to the mTool tutorials, which will explain more with the motion model here and the graph here. So if students are struggling, they do have those extra supports even on the fast track, and they have those supports as well on the learn zone that I forgot to mention. But yeah, that's the fast track. They really get to cut the problems in half if they understand them because they don't need as much practice. Thank you.